1. Stuff the shoe with newspaper. Filling up the shoe will fill out the shoe and make it easier to apply the patch. This method is best used on softer material shoes, like suede or sheepskin boots or shoes. 2. Purchase the fabric to patch your shoes. The fabric patch that you use on the shoe will be visible on the outside, so get a fabric that matches your shoe's existing style. You can buy fabric online or at a craft store. Buy enough fabric so that you can fully cover the size of the hole. You can purchase fabric that almost matches the color of your shoes if you don't want the patch to be as noticeable. Good fabrics to use include tartan, leather, and suede. You can also purchase fabric that contrasts with the current color of your shoes for a unique fashion statement. 3. Cut out a piece of fabric large enough to cover the hole. Cut a rectangular or square piece of fabric to cover the hole. Depending on the location of the hole, you may want to adjust the size of the patch so that it doesn't look awkward on the shoe. For example, if the hole is on the toe of the shoe, use a patch that covers the entire toe rather than a small patch that just covers the hole. If you want your shoes to match, cut out 2 pieces of fabric so that you can apply a patch to your other shoe, even if it doesn't have a hole. 4. Pin the fabric to the shoe. Adjust the placement of the patch and make sure that it looks straight before you sew it in place. You may also want to recut the piece of fabric if you don't like the way it looks on your shoe. If you are placing a patch on both shoes, make sure that their placement is identical. 5. Steam iron the patch to the shoe. Put a damp cloth over the patch on the shoe, then hold a steam iron over the patch for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this 3 to 4 times to flatten out the edges of the patch and make it adhere to the form of your shoe or boot. 6. Sew the patch onto the shoe. Pierce a needle and thread through the patch and into the shoe. Then thread the needle up out of the shoe and through the patch. Continue going around the edge of the patch using this method until it is secured to the fabric on the shoe. Tie off the ends of the thread with a knot to hold the patch in place. Use the same color thread as the shoe and sew around the patch. Try to make your stitches as uniform as possible. You can also use more complex stitches like a catch stitch or slip stitch to create a unique look.